Hi, this is a quick 3-minute video on this.
Okay, in this series of videos we're looking at the Inequalities on Graphs worksheet, which you can download from 3-Minute Maths. In the previous videos we've looked at questions 1, 3, 6, and in this particular video we're going to look at question number 7. Okay, so here we are on question number 7, and we've got 3 lines that we need to plot. The first one is going to be x equals 4, so well, that's not too bad. That's going to be this line along here. Okay, now you'll notice that I've actually made it a dashed line. Now the reason I've done that is because the values of the inequality don't include 4, however they are less than 4, so therefore I'm going to put a little arrow to say that they're on the left hand side. Okay, let's look at the next one. So we've got this line 2x plus y equals 6, and we need to be able to plot that, and I'm going to do this really quickly. So I've got x and y. I'm just going to have a value of 0 for x, and if I do that, 2 times 0 plus y equals 6, therefore y must be 6. And then I'm going to put an x value of say 3, and therefore I've got 2 times 3 is 6 plus nothing, or plus y equals 6, so therefore y must equal 0. So therefore it allows me to plot this line fairly efficiently. The first one will be 0, 6, which is going to be here, and then I've also got 3, 0, which is going to be here, and I'm just going to put a ruler and draw a straight line. Okay, and again it's going to be a dashed line. Now the reason it's going to be a dashed line is because the inequality doesn't include the values of 2x plus y. Let's have a look then at how we can put our arrow. Well, it's going to be greater than 6, therefore it's going to be on the right hand side of the inequality. Okay, the final line we've got is y equals a third of x. So if I just write y equals a third of x, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to values of x, values of y, and again I'm going to do it very simply. So x is 0, y is 0, and let's say if x is 6, then a third times 6 is going to be 2. Okay, so that allows me then to plot 2 points, one of which is the 0, 0 going through the origin, and then the final one is a value of 6, 2, which is something like that. And again I'm just going to get out my ruler, okay, and I'm going to just mark that on the screen as something like this. Okay, and again it's another dashed line because they're not going to include it. Okay, so therefore I can say that that line is y equals 1/3 of x, and the values of y are going to be greater than 1/3 of x, so therefore it's going to be above the line. So the region that's going to be shaded is going to be this region here, and that would be region R in our particular question.
Okay, so I hope the video was useful. Please do add a comment below if you're not sure about anything. I'll always come back to you. Subscribe to the channel. I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.